So this will be a tutorial on how to work on a Topcoder Marathon and how to submit your solution, how to work on the problem, and how to check your scores. So first you want to go to competitions, algorithm, marathon match, active contest. So we're gonna try out this test marathon 2. I've already read the problem. Let's see here. So basically you're giving a string say for example A, B, C, A, B, A. Yeah, okay. So you're given a string of length n by n. So in this case, n will be 3. And then you're given a grid, n by n grid. What? How do I? Why is it not painting anything? Pencil? Nope. Switch colors? No. Oh, I think it's this, the text box. Yeah, okay. Huh? Okay, select the whole screen. Now try. Nope. Okay, this is dumb. Okay, let's try new. Select all, copy. Make a new file, copy. Now, nope. Okay, what is this? Oh my god, how do you even... Okay. Let's try Google Docs or something. Okay, new, create, drawing. Okay, let's go. I don't know how long this video will be. I'll probably have to split it up into a couple of shorter videos or something. So slow. Okay, so text box. So say n equal to 3, then you have a string of length n by n, so 9 letters, so A, B, C, A, B, C, A. Then you get a grid. Which is n by n also. So this case 3 by 3. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. There we go. So what you have to do is where's pencil? Okay, what you have to do is basically take this string and like wrap it around this grid using all of the cells, and each letter will take a cell. So for example, you start out at A. So you have A here, then B has to be either here or here. It has to be adjacent to this A. So say we put it here. Crap. So that's a B. Then the C as well, it has to be adjacent to the B. So let's go here. No, I want to go there. Okay, C. Then A, so you go here, A, and the next A, the next A, then B, that's a crappy B, then C, and finally A. So we went around like this, and you have to use all of the cells on the grid, and what you want to do is minimize the number of connected components. And a connected component would be a group of cells that have the same letter, and from any of those cells you can get to any other cell on that component. So this would be a connected component because all of these cells have the same letter, and you can get from any of them to any of the other ones. Another connected component would be this. This would be another one just itself. These two form a connected component, and then this is the last connected component. So in this example we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connected components, and what we want to do is minimize the number of connected components. So the problem is fairly simple to understand, but it should probably be really hard to come up with a really efficient solution. So in this tutorial I'll only show how to write your files and how to submit them, what classes do you need, and stuff like that. My solution will probably be something like really easy for now, just to be able to submit and check your results. So sorry. So you first have to, I guess, create your files, right? So Topcoder, I have a template somewhere. Maybe here. Nope. Template, where is it? I think maybe that guy. Okay, let's just start from scratch, whatever. So let's make a directory test mm2. So why did I type ls twice? I don't know. To create a file called I don't know, solution or something. So I'll be using C++. The concept of which classes to use, which data types to use in your methods might be different in whatever language you prefer, but I'll be using C++. Include iString, we probably need a vector, algorithm, add the rest later as we go. For convenience, we need a main. Okay, so for this thing we need to write a class called string connectivity. I'm not sure if on C++ if you can actually make a struct instead of a class. So I'll just go with class. Class string connectivity. So let's just make everything public for the sake of simplicity. Our method is called playString. It returns an array of ints. You can use a vector of ints. So place string, and it takes a string. Okay, so should I implement it here or what? Or outside the class? It doesn't matter. Let's just do it here. So this class, okay, okay, so you have your string, you have to return a vector of int, so let's just declare that answer. And what we're gonna do is, okay, what the vector contains n times n plus 1 elements. The first two elements are the row and the column where you place the first character. The next n by n minus 1 elements should be the direction where you place the next character. 0 right, 1 means up, 2 left, 3 down. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at 0, 0, and then we're gonna go across to the right until we get to the last column. Then we're gonna go down a row, and then we're gonna go left until we hit the very first column, and we're gonna do this until we get to the end. The algorithm that I'm gonna be using. This is a test match. It's not rated, so it doesn't matter what I submit. It's just for learning purposes. So we want to push 0 into our vector twice. Then we want to let's see here. So we're gonna need another n by n elements on this array, vector. So we need that. We need n. So n will be s dot size times. Wait. I think that's what we need, right? Yeah. Okay. So what we want to do is actually in here we want want to go square root of n, right? We want to go on each row. Yeah, on each row we're gonna put the n-1 elements and then the one guy to go down, basically. So include CMath. So we're first gonna be going, so dx, or our dx will be 0 because we want to go right. So for, okay, god damn it, n should be this. So we don't calculate it a bunch of times. So int j from 0, we want to do this n times, wait, n-1 times. Okay, so in here we're gonna insert dx n-1 times, and at the end we're gonna add the direction to go down, which is 3, right? But we only go down if I is not equal to n-1. So if it's not the very last guy, we push to go down. And once we get here, we want to so if we're gonna change dx will be, if dx is equal to 0, then it will be 2, otherwise it will be 0. Okay, just 0 means go to the right, 2 means go to the left. When it's done going to the right, it's gonna want to go to the left. Okay, then we need to return our answer. Okay, what else do we need here? I think it's pretty much done. So now we have to write main. So main is usually here. They tell you how to write it. Okay, so we have to first read a string. Then pass it to place string. Then print the results. And then flush out. Flush std out. Alright. So we want to read line. So string s, read s. So now we need to create an instance of the string connectivity class. So string connectivity sc, and we're gonna call sc dot place, so vector find answer will be sc dot place string. I'm gonna give it s. Then we want to print out actually, let's just use an iterator. So after iterator, it and stop begin. Iterator is not depend plus plus. Then want to print out each element, and how do I flush std out again? Let's check one of my previous solutions. Let's see, around 1d cout.flush. Okay. So hopefully this compiles on the first try. Let's see. Okay, so what we want to do now is run my solution with the visualizer that Topcoder provides. So we need to download it. See, copy from downloads. We want to copy the string connectivity jar to my current directory. I might need to change the permissions of it, maybe. So now to run it, so you call this, so let's compile solution, then java dot jar string connectivity dot jar execute, and here you have to provide an absolute path to where your executable is. So in my case is in Dropbox. Yeah, Dropbox public Topcoder TCO Marathon Test mm2 a.out, and then we can give it optional parameters, but let's just run this for now. Okay, unable to execute your solution using the provided command. Okay, I think it doesn't know what this is, so I think home Alex. Let's see. Okay, what the hell just happened? I'm not sure what happened. I just don't, I want to see how it worked. I want to see the visualization thing. They don't have that. Kind of sucks. Seed parameters, no visualization, cell size. They usually have like a delay parameter. Okay, whatever. So let's try out another seed. Seed 2. Okay, so we have the solution, apparently. So now we can submit it to the Topcoder website. So you go back, shut up, register, submit, you have to log in, Submit, type in your submission. Why is my face? What the fuck? Okay, Genie, run. Where am I? Dropbox, public, Topcoder TCR Marathon Test solution. Copy paste this submission. Submit. What? Oh yeah, you don't include. Wait. You don't include main? Really? Okay. You don't actually include main. You only include the class. Makes sense. The main is just to test locally, basically. So now we're gonna have to wait for Topcoder to actually run our solution. CV the queue. Test remaining 62. Refresh. So it'll take a while, and then we'll get an email with whatever score we got. So I'm expecting something horrible because my algorithm is terrible. Should probably be around here or something. We'll see. Let's check my email. Okay, so we get the so we get this score. Let's check the standings. What is it? 500,600 or something. Let's just look for my username here. So we're here, 80th place, not too shabby. Out of 100 or something. I need to get 50th place to get a t-shirt or something. No, to get the prize money. But that's it for today. I'll keep working on it, but I'm not gonna record it. Whatever. I don't think I even want. Is it worth it? It's probably doable to. I'm not that far away. I'm only like 3,000 points away from the 50th place, so I should probably try something. Yeah, okay, whatever. Fuck you guys.